Hello, friends. This is Ad Zeros, and I wanted to provide you the recap of my trades. So today I had three tickers I've traded: INO, Workhorse, and Baba. And let me talk you through about INO. So INO, as you guys know, it was gapped up, right? And but if you look at the daily chart, and you will see that it went all the way up from $9 to almost $18, and it also gap up today. And if you look at the pre-market action, uh, in the morning it went up, and then from 8 o'clock all the way to the 9:30 it has a downward trend, right? And now uh, it has a support here at 1826, and then he tried to bounce back up before the market opens. But if you look at the closely the price action, uh, it never went back or even tried to go up over $19. So it seems like a $19 is a big resistance. So then how I played, maybe it's a good learning lesson that I can share with you. This is uh, the pattern. I really like that. So if you look at it, this is a 5 minutes opening range, and how you break it out. This is very important. And then also, if you look at it, it's creating a bear flag here. So straight line down, then the pull back up, and then continuation of it. So what I did, I basically did trade it on the 8th minute, on the 7th minute. So when I saw that it's trying to go below this range, and you can see that range from here. So when it's trying to go below this range, and this is a point where I decided that I want to go short. So I shot it here, and then it's again consolidated on this range. I'm also looking at my Baba traders right now open, so I just want to keep an eye on that as well. Uh, and you see it's consolidated, and my stop loss was this. So essentially almost 30 cents stop loss. And then I noticed that it broke this consolidation. And the moment it broke the consolidation, I added into my position. But when I I usually uh, take 20, 30 cents on that add. So the moment I add 745, and then I took it on 27. The next profit I took it because it's over almost closed the gap. So I was not expecting INO to break the yesterday close so quickly. I mean, I was just hoping that it's gonna show some resistance or to support on it, but no, it came down. I took profit here. Then wow, it's almost broke 30 cents. Usually when the stock has a tendency that if they break uh, the yesterday close, it go 20, 30 cents down, and then it quickly fly back up, right? Pull back up, and that is a very good squeeze on it. So I don't want to take. I taking out some profit on 80, and then I just noticed, oh man, this just quickly drop another 20 cents. So I took the profit here. Then I have remaining only 50 shares, and I took the profit here. So for your learning lesson is, though it was gapped up, but look at the daily, because daily is the king, and daily it was too extended. We can see the pre-market support. There was not a big support on the pre-market, and when there is a no, there is a downward trend on the pre-market, and 745 with a low volume gap up couldn't break after 8:30 or 9 o'clock. It shows that it has some weakness. So this is the beautiful trade I had, and I think that today my trade of the day is INO. Now, now let's talk about the workhorse. So now workhorse, will tell you the power of community. So this trade called by uh, our friend Yogi, and Yogi called it, and I like it because this is the similar pattern what I was trading on INO. So if you look at it, it's a similar pattern. So if you look at daily, see, gapped up, but the only difference is that this time it didn't gap up. It was on the same within the yesterday candle it was opened, but same daily extended idea, and could have been a better shot here. Uh, but that's fine as well. So see, I think what Yogi might have noticed, and Yogi gonna cover it in his own recap. But if you see that it went down, had a beautiful, beautiful bear flag, and the moment it broke the uh, bear flag, I shorted it here. And I was not expecting a workhorse to be a that good mover. So the moment I get 50, 60 cents, I immediately covered it. And then on the way it dropped, I just quickly covered. And then I put my stop loss here, and I don't know, it just spiked me out. And then I was so upset on that how come it spiked me out, and I just missed again, dollar move. So then I just added back to a very small size just to revenge from the workhorse, and I took the profit here. And then the another interesting I wanted to share you about the Baba. So Baba, I'm still riding. Oh, I just missed the profit, but I wanted to see this moving over 258. Let's see, but I want to show you the very interesting Baba trade as well. So Baba was sharply down, right? Without any pullback, Baba was sharply down. And then you will see a big consolidation here. So if I zoom in, and if you will see here, that is a big consolidation from almost 10:10 to 10:25. So it's almost 15-20 minutes of consolidation. This is a nice consolidation within the same range. And every time it tried to break down, go towards the low of the day, it pulled back up. Try to went down, pull back up. So this is I like that idea, but I noticed it when it's already had a one bull flag here. Then I thought, okay, what I can do, I can just quickly scalp. I don't want to take a risk because it's already up from the bottom. It's almost $2, almost $3. I don't want to take a risk of a $3 downward move. So I went in, profit, again added, profit, stopped out. Do you see that? Because it was already moved up. So I don't want to, the move was already over here. So I don't want to take a risk of holding. So quick scalp. And I think I made a profit of $144 here. Then, and I was right. And then it dropped back again to the same support. So the moment I saw that it went back up to the support, do you see that? This line, it hold it and it support. Then I added share here and I added some share size here. And then I say, you know what? I want to put my stop loss. And if you see my stop loss, I have put my $138. So the profit I had on the scalp, I say I'm gonna make this as my stop loss. I don't want to lose my profit. So $138, I'm gonna put this, and I wanted Baba to ride up to the VWAP. So I have a beautiful entry, 256, 153, and that's why you see me. I'm talking with you guys, but I'm not worried because I have a beautiful entry on the bottom support. And now you look at it, see how beautiful on the 1 minute chart it made a bull flag. Now I wanted to ride this, and I would love to see this first it break to 58, and once it will break to 58, I'm gonna put my stop loss under 257.80, and then I wanted to ride up to 259. Let's hope how it's gonna go, and if it's go and break 258, then I guess then it will be a good profit. But see, it's now reverting back. It did not sustain 257, which is not good. I mean, it should have pulled back up to this level and then go back up. It might be touching the moving averages, but now since it's already moved, I do not any reason to take the full loss now. So I'm gonna just reduce my stop loss to my break even now because I have a very beautiful entry. I don't think so. If it now if it fails, then it's gonna definitely go again, continue the downward trend. So I do not need to hold this and be my loser where I can be a winner. So I will keep you posted. You tell me your comments. How would you like it? And today I had a fantastic day. I just had a beautiful jewel raise and I finished my day. So now C is moving. So I loved it. Okay, now let's see that does it break to 58? And I will love to put, to off my 150 shares and I want to put my 30-cent stop trailing order after it will cross 258. So I'm going to wait for it. So I just wanted to cut this video short. Let me know how was your day. Do you want to hear anything more about it? If you have any feedback, questions about my yesterday trades, and you wanted to learn, because I'm the new aspiring trader. I've learned a lot, uh, in the last months. And is there any way I can give back to all of my friends? They can learn from me. They can be more profitable and consistent. I would love to share my learning with you guys. All right. Have a good day, guys. Bye.